I'm Karen Reijnen, Innovation Director at the Rainforest Alliance, and I want to tell you about Nature's Bank. Nature's Bank is an innovation concept that we believe can transform the carbon market and drive more value to nature conservation and restoration. With Nature's Bank, we'll offer an online platform for companies that are interested in investing in nature. It provides them access to high-quality credit-generating projects that go beyond carbon and include biodiversity, water, and social benefits. Nature's Bank helps companies to build a nature investment portfolio that fits their corporate sustainability strategy. It enables them to directly support nature restoration efforts, from large-scale reforestation projects to small-scale regenerative agriculture initiatives. Through our platform, we connect supply and demand. We minimize the need for middlemen and ensure that more money goes to generating impact on the ground. We've spent the last months developing and validating Nature's Bank with experts, companies, and project developers, and are now ready to start testing it. In the next months, we'll pilot the Nature's Bank service and test it with daring launching customers and technology partners. We will also look for ways to generate more and better supply through our own and third-party nature projects. So, stay tuned for the next chapters, and if we triggered your curiosity and you want to learn more about the concept and our plans, join one of our upcoming Q&A sessions.